Okay, let's go check out the utility room. No. Cabinets are in. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect fit. Now we're a dysfunctional but organized utility room. All the power tools go there. All the other tools and departmental cases and stuff go there. All that there, all that there. So now it's organized but messy. Messy but organized. One of those two. I forget which comes first. But I know where everything is. Thanks for coming. Yeah, I know. I gotta finish painting the door. Be quiet.